Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Power on the massager and set it to a low speed. This reduces shock and lets your muscles adapt. Position the chosen attachment on the target area, applying light pressure so you can feel motion without pain. Keep one hand steady on the device and use the other to support the limb or back. This stabilizes movement. Once done, gradually increase speed in small steps to reach therapeutic vibration. This prevents soreness and improves blood flow. You'll work methodically. Move the head slowly along the muscle fibers, spending about 30 to 60 seconds per spot so tissue warms evenly. Apply light, sweeping strokes for sensitive zones and increase pressure on dense muscles. The goal is deep but comfortable penetration. Make sure to keep the device moving. Holding still concentrates force and can bruise. Once done with one region, overlap adjacent areas slightly to maintain consistent tissue temperature and circulation. You finish by dialing back to low speed and smoothing the muscle with light strokes for about a minute, then perform gentle stretches to lock in mobility gains. Make sure to power off and wipe the attachment with a damp cloth. This preserves hygiene. If you notice excessive vibration or rattling, immediately check that the head is seated and the battery is secure. Loosened parts cause noise and uneven force. If sharp pain or numbness continues, stop and seek professional advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.